every tear, I don't dot every I. I got more flaws than a little, and I messed up 1,000 times. I don't always commit. Sometimes I give up way too quick, and then I get tired of trying to run away from who I am to who I wanna be. Some days I'm better than others. I can be up and I'm down, but beyond my mistakes, I'm found in your grace, and this one thing will never change. You still love me, in spite of me. Woo! You still chose me. How can it be?